In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy BNB, also known as Binance Coin, on eToro using PayPal. We'll go through the process from logging into your account all the way to opening your trade, and I'll explain what each part means so you can follow along confidently. Start by logging into your eToro account. Once you're inside the platform, the first thing you'll want to do is deposit funds using PayPal as your payment method. Look for the deposit option in your account dashboard, enter the amount you want to add, and then choose PayPal when prompted to select how you'd like to pay. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit. Make sure the funds have successfully appeared in your available balance before moving on, since you'll need that balance in place before you can open a trade. After your deposit is complete, go to the search bar at the top of the platform and type in BNB or Binance Coin. This will bring up the asset you're looking for. Click on it to open its market page. This is a good moment to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct asset before placing your order, especially if you're new to the platform or trading crypto for the first time. Next, click the trade button. This will open the order window where you can set up your position, enter the amount you want to invest, taking a moment to make sure it fits your budget and risk tolerance. In the same window, you'll also see the option to choose your leverage. This part is important. If you buy with leverage, or if you choose to open a short position, the trade will be opened as a CFD rather than purchasing the underlying asset directly. So before continuing, make sure you understand which type of exposure you want. Once you've entered your amount and selected your leverage settings, review the details in the trade window carefully. Double check that the asset is BNB, that the investment amount is correct, and that your leverage choice reflects your intention. When everything looks right, click Open Trade. That will place your order on eToro and open your BNB position based on the settings you selected. And that's it. You've now seen how to log into eToro, deposit funds with PayPal, search for BNB, configure your trade, and open the position. If you're following along in real time, go slowly, review each screen carefully, and make sure you understand the difference between a regular buy and a CFD trade before confirming your order.